The Rock Whisperer. Do you hear the earth talking to you?
Moon and moon phases.
Justin and Luke. The origin of the moon. Contrary to popular belief, the moon is not a giant ball of cheese in the sky. Many astrologists and scientists have made their own opinions and theories about how the moon came to be. They include the moon and the earth formed as a double planet and then separated. The second, the moon was a random object in space and was then captured by Earth's gravity. The third and most popular one is that a collision occurred between Earth and a smaller object and caused the moon to form. This would have happened right after the Earth was formed.
What is the history of Earth's moon? A satellite is an object that revolves around another object under the influence of gravity. This means that the moon is a natural satellite of the Earth. The same side of the moon is always facing Earth due to their rotation and revolution being approximately the same. Russia was the first country to send an artificial satellite to investigate the far side of the moon. The rover was called Lunokhod. It was deployed on December 10, 1970. The mission was abandoned on September 14, 1971. Although Russia was the first to send a satellite to the far side of the moon, America was the first to send a person to the moon. Neil Armstrong stepped onto the moon in July of 1969. Radioactive dating on moon rocks from several other moon missions show that the moon is approximately the same age as the Earth.
The rotation period and revolution period of the moon is about the same. This is why the same side of the moon is always facing the Earth. The period of time is about 27 1/3 days. The Islamic calendar is based off of this lunar cycle. This causes their holidays to appear random when put into our solar-based calendar. The lunar orbit is an ellipse, which is basically an elongated circle.
Why does the moon have phases? The sun shines on the moon, giving it the illusion that it gives off light. The regular orbit of Earth and the moon causes the phases to occur in a repeating pattern.
The phases of the moon. The cycle begins with the new moon. This is where the moon appears to be completely dark. About 4 days later, a waxing crescent has appeared, where the moon appears to be gaining light. On the 7th day, it appears to be a quarter, which is about half of the moon. On the 10th day, it's a waxing gibbous, where it's almost a full moon but not quite. The 14th day of the cycle is a full moon. The 18th day is a waning gibbous, where it's almost a full moon but it's starting to lose light. The 22nd day is the last quarter. It's only half the moon but losing light. 26th day, it's only a crescent, losing more light, almost gone. It starts over with a new moon. This is 27 1/3 days.
Don't forget to listen to the earth. You just may hear it speak.